Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on the Lenovo TAB M8. So to do this you'll need to open your Google Play Store, inside find Firefox browser, click install. When it's ready, click open. Here we can customize the browser. Pardon me. Here you can customize the browser with different theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between privacy protection settings, and read the privacy notice. Finally, let's click on start browsing. And right now you can open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.